Joke lang. Alright. This is the property we bought here in Ilocos. Have a beautiful view. See the view? It's beautiful. Have Coke. Okay. There's the corn farm, mango trees, banana, coconut. There's your kids there. I have a piggy ride back. There's a mango tree. See that one? Okay. Alright, see the view? Oh, it's beautiful. See the view here? Wow. It's awesome. Beautiful. That's the top. This is a lime tree. Smell good. There's mango trees. They have a lot of mango trees, have coconuts there. Oh God. I just love the view. The view is beautiful. So the corn.
Ano pala yung tuhod ko? Gusto. Dari ko tuhod ko, tamadulas.
King kanya ito yung mga talyaw? Okay. She's making her rest house here. See all the farm. Oh, langka. Jackfruit. Manang, nalom di lang ka? Nalom di lang ka di nga to? I have jackfruit there. Mango trees again. Oh, there's a lot of fruits. Banana. Corn. If you live here and you build your house here, you don't have any neighbors. It's beautiful. View is beautiful.